Today we're
Back in the kitchen.
back in the kitchen, as always, actually. Today we're
Wait, before
February,
we start,
what?
we're making sure this video is 20 minutes long, so you're going to capture this. Because we're not doing an hour. Okay, it's going to be 21 minutes.
Cool, so we're February 12th to 2026, Thursday. What we normally do here on Thursdays at Helium Deploy is that we have our nice happy hours, as you can tell.
We're just do on the side.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah, there's normally more people over here. Right now it seems pretty desperate, but only 2 people here at the...
Wait. We learned from our mistake. We got to show an ASIC at like 20 seconds in the video. Look, just to hook you guys, there's ASICs. Okay.
All right, so essentially we're circling back on everything that we've received yesterday.
Well, some
And
of it.
Some of it.
A lot of it.
A good portion of it. And I don't know about you, JD, but would you still stand by whatever you said that it was your favorite miner?
No, but let me just quickly point out what I think is shit and not.
All right.
So this one is working properly. This one is not working properly. This one's not working properly. And what I mean not working properly, they're advertised at like 6 terahash and they're coming in at under. This one's almost working properly, so it's fine.
Well, it's at 5.9.
Yeah, I know. It's pretty
Don't
much
be too
fine.
picky, JD.
Yeah. The one that actually pissed me off yesterday is working fine, thank God. But yeah, a couple of these are just not hitting the advertised numbers, like 5.1 terahash. Let me see. This one, unfortunately, is doing 4.6, supposed to be 6. And our little cat hand over here, I don't know what speed this is hashing at, but I mean, it still works, so.
Right.
But yeah, so I just want to show you guys the major problem I have right now. I guess they're going to what do you want to say?
Well, all that to say is that's why it's super important that you purchase these products from someone that you can really trust. Like ourselves as retailers, we always make sure to run tests on these products before we even advertise them on our website. As a matter of fact, we also make sure that the manufacturers that we work with run tests on these products before they even ship them out to us. Because we don't like to advertise or sell a product that does not meet your expectations. So we brought all those. And as I shared, a lot of these are not products that we currently hold on our website. And as a matter of fact, a lot of these were shipped by different manufacturers that we don't currently work with. What is it? Oh, yeah.
No, I'm just pointing at the time just to make a joke. No speeches.
All that to say is that I know the Hydro versions look pretty cool. The Nerd QX++ Hydro look pretty cool, but I'm not too impressed so far. Maybe we're not doing something right.
I mean, we plugged it in. It's not our problem.
Exactly. Like if you look at the Nerd QX++ air cooling, the air cooled version, like you plug it in and it works as advertised. Yeah. Versus the Hydro, it's not working as advertised.
Actually, both of our Hydros weren't, because I had to overclock one to make it go to 6. But basically, none of the Hydros work properly, so that sucks.
So when our partner in China said to me that these were not selling as much as the air cooling one, as a matter of fact, he shared that it was 10-1. I truly believe it now. And for now, it's not a product that I'm expecting to have on Helium Deploy anytime soon. So maybe you want to share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Maybe it's something that you're currently holding and you're happy with. Again, maybe it's something that we're doing wrong. You can share your thoughts in the comment section down below. But for now, as you can see, there's plenty of devices here on the kitchen counter, and we would like to push firmware updates to them, or even
not firmware updates.
Well, maybe overclock them or
pools,
and set the pool on them. But obviously, it requires a lot of time.
Oh, I could jump in and tell them.
But that's where you're leading.
So basically, I wanna update all the pool information because a pool reached out to us called Atlas Pool, and their pool looks really good. We ran some tests. They have the best response time and stuff. So I want to update all the machines off of mine in Dutch that I set up yesterday in like an hour to this new pool. So basically what sucks ass is I have to log into every single machine, visit the IP, like you guys can see on the computer. We all know how annoying this is. I don't want to have to log into every single machine. Every IP, I gotta go look at every little screen and update the info. So what we do is Well, we have our special tool, which I have access to on our developer's computer.
It's still
So-
just a beta version.
So I want to show everyone how much time this is going to save instead of going into one machine at a time. And I purposely don't know how exactly it works. So so we're going to find out together. So hopefully you guys could record the screen. Because I know there's like 2 camera guys right now.
And he's building it, by the way. Huh?
Yeah, so he's building it over there. So
You may
I
want to
don't
say
need
hi to
any.
everyone.
Hi everyone.
I don't need
This
any.
is the first time that someone else than me uses the app, so we'll see how easy it is.
Yeah. All I know is it works, so I'm going to try and use it. So this is basically, I guess, what happens when you sign up to the account or get into the website, whatever. I'm assuming I just go to miners. Well, actually, let me look at all the shit first. So the first thing would be setting up a pool. So I'm going to set a pool up. Enter manual details. So I'll say like Atlas pool. So I basically want to update all of the pools to Atlas right now. So I'm just going to hopefully go in your browser and hopefully nothing bad pops up. And just for now, we'll mine to the developer's Bitcoin address just because fuck it. But basically, Atlas pool, I'm going to connect. I'm going to input this IP address. Here it asks for the port, so we'll put in 333. The worker name, we'll put in just a Bitcoin address here because realistically I don't have one on my computer. And then we're going to put a dot worker name. So you'll see what this is going to do in a second. And for password, we're just going to leave it blank. So now you can see we added a custom pool config at the top here. So this is going to be able to batch apply to all the machines at once. So let's try to apply it because I don't actually know how to do it. So this is all the miners on our network, from what I understand.
Is it gonna change something on the screen?
Yeah, they're
Yeah.
all gonna reboot if
Yeah,
everything
you may
goes well.
want to share this.
You may want to come here and,
Yeah.
and film the screens when he does it.
It's pretty cool, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. All,
So-
all the screens are gonna like change.
So these are all the machines detected on our network right now in front of me. And
You may want to show a close angle.
yeah, I don't know
Close
what connector offline is, but hopefully it's going to work. So anyways, I selected them all up here. And then I go to bulk action, apply pool, SHA 256, and Atlas. So it's applied to 14 miners. I
Yeah,
don't know if they're
you can
on,
see
so
the-
they
you
all
can see
just
the- yeah.
restarted.
Yeah.
So basically, now every single miner is connected to Atlas, which literally saved me an hour of going back and forth. And like anyone who set these up know. But now the question is, did it actually work?
Let's find out.
He has to do some stuff because maybe it didn't work.
The moment of truth. All right.
So I'm going to be honest, because I put the pool Bitcoin address in, it's not going into our wallet just because I don't have a wallet on my hand right now.
Sure, but yeah.
But we could see here that they're all coming back online.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
So
yeah, there was a change on the screen, right?
yeah. But basically, you can see like all the NerdX Q++s, they're all starting up. You see all the terahashes, the temperatures, how much watts, whatever. And you can see here they're all on the Atlas pool right now. So except our one, we have like a one we're testing at the top for something else. But yeah, that was my first experience using that. I didn't read any instructions. I just kind of like figured it out live on this call, like video. So
I mean, it was pretty straightforward.
yeah, something I want to mention though, this would also be able to be done remote, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah. So
It works remotely, and yeah, you can use it from anywhere. You just need a connector at home. So either a software running on a PC that's always on, or like a Raspberry Pi or something like that.
yeah. So just to give people context, if all your machines are at home and there's a new pool that came out for some reason that you want to mine, you could log into the software, mass update all your machines 1 click or like 5 clicks, whatever I did. And yeah, it's just a way better system than me logging into every damn machine. Well, I can't even remote into one at home regardless if I wasn't there, right?
Right.
Unless you VPN, but that's for advanced users, who cares? But lucky, so from what I understand, we want people to test this now, right? This will be my pitch right now to people. So we want
absolutely.
beta testers for this.
So we'll have a waitlist in the description where you can just input your email, and once the app is live, you'll be able to sign up. It's free, by the way. And JD, can you tell me approximately like how long would it be to update like all 15 miners here if you did it manually?
I mean, yesterday the video we did unboxing them all, I think we were there for like an hour setting them up, and it was just a nightmare.
Yeah.
There's just a bunch of problems that come up. Like I forget what ones were configured, and it's like I don't want to deal with it because you can't actually see what pool a machine's on, right? Like it doesn't say on the screen other than the bit axis. So it's nice to have a piece of software that just shows what all the miners are on. And it does look like we could like set custom names, so we could like assign. We put a sticker number 13, so I assume we could put number 13 in here somewhere, so we won't lose it, right?
Yeah, you can give a friendly name to your miner.
So yeah, that was kind of like the concept of this video, really showing off like that. Do you guys want to do something more? Because I'm looking at our timer. There's it's like 10 minutes. So
yeah, we went from recording an hour video long to 10 minutes. But yeah, all that to say, I appreciate you guys' support. I know a lot of you guys have been commenting in the comment section, beta, and I have been redirecting you guys to our support channel. So we can add you to the waitlist, but we just thought about it today, which we should have thought about it earlier. We're just gonna create a type form where you guys could just simply type sign up, and we'll add you to that waiting list. And again, the more we get you guys to test those, whatever we're currently building right now, this tool, the more polished it will be at release. So again, Will hates putting a specific date on the release date.
I want to shout out something on the app.
Did Bitcoin just drop to 65,000?
It did drop to 65,700.
is this real time right now?
That's real.
No, I know.
There's no wins there.
Yeah.
Yo, yeah, I just want to say, anybody who's interested in checking the app, just comment in the section below, below the video. And one really cool feature that JD doesn't really like is that when we released this app, you'll be able to ask JD support if you bought a miner from us, so it can help you overclock your device from distance. So from our office, he'll be able to overclock your device. So that's going to be a really cool feature that JD's going to proudly help you with. So just wanted to shout out.
But there is a warning when you're overclocking, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, maybe you should explain the warning.
Yeah.
So the warning is that if you overclock your device, then forget your warranty, because
Yeah.
we can't really guarantee that if you break a chip or break any of these power outlets that we can have warranty on your device. But
because we're basically trusting you to tell us the amperage, like it says 5 volt 6 amps, so it's 30 watts. We're basically trusting you to tell us what your power supply is, so we know where we could push it. So if you give us a wrong number and it explodes,
yeah. But
your
the
fault.
overall idea here is that if you buy from here on Deploy, we support you with hardware, but also with software. So we'll build the very coolest tool that we can ever do to make sure that your mining experience is always like as optimal as possible. So that was my pitch for this video.
And I want to say one other thing, because Atlas Pool randomly reached out to me yesterday.
Right.
Because they're calling me kind of, I don't want to say it was Atlas Pool, that was calling me a dummy, but some people are saying, we ran a test of Mining Dutch versus Bowser, and the owner of the pool kind of reached out. He's like, yo, there's a better way to do this. And I didn't know that.
Yeah, you can actually.
Yeah, so I could show you on my computer.
You can actually set up a mining pool on two mining pools, on one device, which we didn't know before. Again, we're not mining pool experts,
Yeah.
so we're more than happy to have you guys in the comment section.
So I could show you
share your
live on the
knowledge.
screen. So I'm logged into, I don't know where 116 is, one of these machines. But basically, we set up two of these pretty much. They're both 6 terahash, let's say, to mine in separate pools. But basically, what we should have done is go into the failover and do dual pool. And in here, you could set up 2 pools to mine from the same machine. So yeah, this is just a better way to test something. Because when you have 2 separate machines, there's like 2 Wi-Fi connections going, 2 different terahashes going. So yeah, we learned something from the Atlas guys. I think it was Matt who was talking to me last night. And yeah, I don't pretend to be an expert, but I am looking forward to bringing on that dude one day because I think he could give a lot of insights to everybody
Right.
about like running pools, so we could like maximize rewards for everyone who kind of like tunes into these videos. So
Yes, sir. Yo, are you guys gonna tease the new video that we're gonna do tomorrow?
Yeah. Well, we kind of teased it yesterday.
but-
Okay, let's tell people.
should we just tell people what
Yeah,
it is at
I
this
just
point?
put
Who
it
cares?
Yeah. Well, we'll tell you guys what it is.
You
So
say it.
essentially, I know a lot of you guys have been mining on the Avalon Q, which has been a very successful product. It's coming from a reliable manufacturer, Canon, who is the pioneer of Bitcoin ASICs. So giving that Canon was very successful on that end, another manufacturer stepped in, building a very good device, which is Fluminer. Fluminer has been successful so far, and they've been mainly focused on algorithms such as SHA-256 as well as crypt. Now, given the success of the Avalon Q, they've been working night and day on the Fluminer T3. The Fluminer T3 was originally supposed to be launched back in November. So whoever ordered these products from us back in November, we truly appreciate your patience. If anything, you guys are the first ones to receive it. They already shipped out and they're currently being delivered in the next day or two. And you guys will actually be the first ones to have your hands on these devices because once again, not only have they delayed over 2-3 months, and the reason behind that was because when they originally were considering releasing the product, they did not add the different power modes that the Avalon Q currently has, which is
Well,
the
there's
normal, the standard, the standard
Eco,
mode,
standard,
the Eco and the Super.
Yeah.
So we're like, well, guys, we spoke to Fluminer and we pitched it to them alongside other influencers that if they wanted to compete directly with the Avalon Q, which currently mines at 90 terahashes, they might as well add the super mode on it. So that took them, believe it or not, more than. Sorry about that. The email was playing a video on the TV, but that took over months to get this resolved so they could perfect it. For whoever saw the pictures online, originally was supposed to be in gold, not in black. So the T3 will look similar to this, besides the
No screen.
the silver. Yeah, that tomorrow's video.
Yeah.
Well, unfortunately, the reality is that we were supposed to receive that the T3 today. DHL for once dropped the ball on us. Again, I can't shit on them because they've been very sharp. No, they've been very sharp with us, but today they dropped the ball on us. So we are going to be receiving our unit tomorrow, and you guys will be part of that unboxing. So what's pretty cool about it is it does not look exactly like this. It's actually all blacked out. Actually, I have pictures on my MacBook, which
You could go grab it. I'll show them the insides of this. But basically, this is a Flu L1, but it's pretty much similar, other than this is all black and no screen, and I don't think there's buttons on the front. But it basically looks like a big computer. So yeah, and that's the inside. If you guys have never seen it before, of the Doge one, but you know. And yeah, we have 2 minutes left, so George better get his ass back here.
I'm coming back. I'm coming
Okay,
back.
he's
Be
coming back.
patient.
This didn't. Okay. You gotta put the camera on him.
Yeah, explain to me like I'm a 5-year-old.
So this is the script miner, by the way.
I mean, we've got two cameramen.
Yeah.
One of you guys could have followed me.
Abel was just asking, does this mine Bitcoin?
Which one? This one specifically? The L1. you have to get this reaction on camera. The marketing guy is asking.
yeah.
The marketing guy is asking if the L1 Pro, if the L1 Pro mines Bitcoin. What's the answer to that?
There's a 50-50 chance, so I'll say yes.
No, it doesn't.
Okay, well, we'll
So,
let
no.
the comments
Yeah.
decide, was he right or wrong?
Yeah. So the L1 Pro mines script. So
So you're gonna leak a picture of what it actually looks
yeah,
like?
what it actually looks like, it's pretty cool actually. When they originally told me that they dropped the gold color,
We got a
I was
minute.
kind of disappointed. Then when they said to me that it was going to look like the L1 Pro, I'm like, okay, whatever, you know, like the L1 Pro was successful, but I'm not too impressed by the design. But when I saw the actual pictures of it, which I will be sharing here, it looks pretty dope.
You'll have to come around and
Yeah,
and
it looks pretty
zoom
dope.
in.
I'll share. It looks super like
Yeah, it looks extremely similar, just black.
just, and I like when things are simple, and I like the black color. As you can tell, I'm always wearing black more or less, so it looks pretty dope. Very excited to test tomorrow. Currently, the pictures that you have that you see on our website, go over heliumdeploy.com. You will see our banner with the Fluminer T3.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, we used the L1 Pro's picture because that's what we were told by Fluminer. But when we saw the device looks exactly like this,
So is it going to be the first one in the world released here?
yeah. So we're going to be part of the first ones to have their device on hand, and we're actually going to be the first ones in Canada to have the device on hand. So I'm very excited to be running those tests. And like I said, whatever pictures that you see online
Yeah,
are not the.
it's not this. I was making a thumbnail of it.
Yeah,
It's not this gold one, but I just put it on there anyway.
it's not the gold one, and it's neither.
Yeah, it's not this one
It's
either.
neither like this one over here. So whatever pictures that you even see on on the website online, don't be triggered. We're going to be adjusting them. Unfortunately, our designer Leah left to Europe yesterday, so we're going to have to figure things out. GD is not a designer. None of us are designers. I guess the AI will help us over here, but essentially it looks simple, black, and from what I can see so far, they've removed the screen.
Yeah.
Which
Well,
was pretty cool, but we'll find out tomorrow.
We'll be doing an unbiased review.
Unbiased review.
Unbiased. So if it doesn't hit its terahash, I'll complain about it.
You know how JD is.
Yeah.
He's very direct. So that's pretty much it for today. I truly appreciate you guys for sticking with us and for supporting us on all previous videos. Once again, I know I'm super annoying with that, but
Here it
again, I'm
comes.
doing it for you guys. Just go in the description down below, click on the Gleam link, sign up to our giveaway, which is a NerdX Q++ Rev 6.1, the air cooling version, not the Hydro, which I dislike so far. So it's very much this one over here. We're giving away this unit over here, not this one specifically. You're gonna have a brand new one, and also a Hammer Script Miner DC06, which hasn't been released yet. You can buy it. You can go over our website, heliumdeploy.com, to place your order today, but it will only launch as of April. So again, go in the description down below, click on the link, and sign up to Gleam. You simply have to follow a few easy steps, and to get yourself a chance to win a Hammer Script Miner DC06 and a Nerd QX++ Rev 6.1. Perfect to start your mining journey. And we're going to be announcing the winner on March 6, 2026 on our live stream to keep things as transparent as possible. So thank you guys all again for the support. We'll see you again tomorrow to showcase the Fluminer T3.
Yeah. Hopefully it doesn't explode.